All right, guys. So Phil here. Phil looks like a very good opportunity. It's already kind of trending down. Um, Bitcoin does look like it wants to break down. So if Bitcoin breaks down, then this might actually flush lower and stop hunt these lows. So if we get any sort of stop hunt of these lows, it could be a very, very good buy point. So definitely want to watch. Well, on a new day, it's a new 3 day candle as well. The, you know, I was very tempted to buy Phil here. I was going to buy it right here, but the problem is, Bitcoin is looking very precarious and kind of wants to drop lower. So I think it's probably safest to wait. There is no wick on the month yet. If I go to a monthly chart here, you can see that there is no wick, kind of implying that it might want to wick down lower at this point. Now, the other setup is SRM. So SRM had a bullish engulfing candle. Now, usually a wick back down or a drop back down to about the 50% range of the candle can often be in a fantastic buy point. It's down 5.5% right now, 5.4%. This can often be the perfect buy point if it's going to be bullish, right? If that was going to flip up and flip green for the rest of the 2 weeks, there's 13 days left. This is a great buy point. Now the worry is that something like this happens, something where it creates a bearish engulfing candle, and then we continue lower, and the bottom is not in yet. So that's the worry. So with knowing that in mind, we have a bullish 3 day candle. So on a new 3 day candle, this will be a buy. If this is going to be bullish, well, this has to hold. This should hold here, and this should continue higher. So on a new 3 day, I recommend watching SRM very, very closely, because it might just give a perfect entry for a move higher. You could buy it even right now with a couple of percent stop, 2 or 3% stop. Or, I mean, worst case, you could put a stop loss below this recent 3 day candle. Not sure what that is, to be honest. 5%. Yeah, about 5%. So that's 5%. But or just trade the new 3 day candle. I mean, if the lows of this green candle are taken out, you don't want to be in the trade. You're looking for some sort of action like this, where you get candle over candle, a bit of a move higher off this level.